Hey everyone, Yosef here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to really easily fetch Farcaster Recast data using the Airstack API within just a few minutes. So first, click on the Farcaster Reactions right here, and this is where you can get your recast data right here. So click on it, and you will get like the list of inputs right here, and if you click on the reaction right here, you get the list of outputs as well. Now, depending on your use cases, you will need to use different inputs, but in this demo, let's try to fetch something really simple. For example, like get all the recasts casted by a user. So in this case, it's very easy. First, set your criteria to recast it right here, and then get to reacted by, use that, and then use the equal operator right here. And then here we can either provide the FID or the F name. So in that case, I'm going to provide the FID just for simplicity's sake. So in this case, use the FC underscore FID prefix right here, followed by the FID itself. And then after that, uh, you can click on the cast. For more details, you can click various uh, output fields right here. For example, from casted at timestamp, maybe you want to know the channel where the recast exists, and then like the embeds, and then like the hash, the recast hash, and then like you can also get the text, which is like the content of the recast, which is essentially content of the cast itself as well. And you can also get the URL, and there's many other fields right here, including the number of likes, recasts, and replies as well, which you can choose whichever you want. Once you have that, you have the query ready, then you can just simply run the query just like that very quickly. And there you go, you get the list of a recast based on the user right here, which in this case we specify user FID602 right there. So very easy. If you guys have any questions, make sure to comment down below and make sure to also check out more use cases that we have right inside here in the Farcaster Recast documentation. I'm gonna put the link down in the description below. Otherwise, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Cheers.